Good evening. I am Raju Rai. I am pursuing my PhD from Banaras Hindu University under the supervision of Dr. S.P. Rai. My topic of presentation is isotopic and geochemical characterization of water contamination in and around abundant mine in Nadar Coalfield Limited, Singrauli, Central India. My study area is located in Singrauli district of Madhya Pradesh state in Central India. The study area is prominent coal mining area and several thermal power plants are located there. There were abundant mine pits which is filled with acidic water, and I have conducted to the study to see the impact of these acid mine pits on surrounding groundwater. The geology of area is comprised of Gondwana supergroup of rock and Chota Nagpur Nisis complex. The Gondwana super rock comprised of sandstone and coal with sandstone, clay, and CGGC is comprised of biotite, granite, and quartzite. So I have collected samples for measure ions, trace metals, and isotope. For measure ions, I have used ion chromatograph. For trace metal, I have used ICP-MS, and for isotope study, I have used IRMS. So some of the parameters which are exceeding permissible limit given by WHO and BIS from groundwater, mainly fluoride and ammonia exceeding the permissible limit in groundwater, and in AMD nearly every parameters, every ions and physiochemical parameters are exceeding the permissible limit given by BIS and WHO. So the isotopic with the data shows that the groundwater samples are falling in LMWL, and few the AMD samples are falling above below GMWL. So by this I conclude that the groundwater sample is directly recharged by precipitation, and the AMD samples are showing evaporative enrichment. The WAWQI is measured for groundwater sample. It is found that 60% of groundwater samples are above permissible limit, uh, are unsuitable for drinking, and the just because of fluoride contamination, and fluoride contamination is from both geogenic and anthropogenic activity.